Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the JavaScript. Today we are going to learn how to replace all the occurrence of the string in the JavaScript. So we are using the method replace with the regular expression and the G. G is basically stand for the global, okay, and it will replace the occurrence of the string. Let's go for the demo part first. Let me remove this one and add this one. So here we have a hello world, hello universe. What I'm going to remove is that HI, right? So if I go and just add it over here, so what the string is hi world and the hi universe. You can see that hello world, hello is replaced by the hi, right? So when you want to replace something in all of the string, so what we have to do is you have to make it the original string, then replace method, then hello, okay, in which you want to replace. Okay, so I will explain what exactly the replace hello gi means. Okay, so here in this example, the replace method is called the original string variable with the regular expression hello gi, and the replacement string is hi, right? The replacement is hi, right? And the g flag is used to replace all the occurrence of the string, and I flag is used to make a search case insensitive. The resulting string hi world hi universe is then assigned to the new string variable and printed to the console. Note that replace does not modify the original string. Instead, it returns a new string with replacements made. Right? So overall, in short, what we can say, the replace method use this word, this hello gi. G is basically a flag that is to replace the occurrences, and I is basically searching. Okay, so this I is basically searching the string where it is hello hello, and it is replaced with the help of the hi. And you can see that hi world hi universe, it is there. So whenever you have a some kind of situation, then you can use this method, string method, that is called replace, and it will give you the better option, right? So any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. In this way you can remove or you can replace the strings with the help of the replace method. Any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.